Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on WTI Crude Oil. Let's start with some fundamental background first. The summer rally in crude oil seems to be coming to an end as the sentiment turns sour due to the weakening global economy and the expectations of a big stimulus from China waning. In fact, despite the very weak economic data in an ailing economy, the PBOC delivered small rate cuts and even refrained to cut rates on some key benchmarks this week. It's getting more and more clear that we won't see anything big coming from China, and the weakness in its economy is likely to spread across the globe. On the daily chart, we can see that crude oil peaked above the 83 resistance, but sold off soon after as the economic problems in China weighed on the sentiment. The moving averages are now crossed to the downside, which is a bad omen for the buyers. We can see that the sellers land on the red 21 moving average as the price retested the moving average after the breakout, and we are now consolidating around the 80 level, awaiting a catalyst. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that crude oil has breached the upward trend line here that was defining the uptrend into the 83 resistance. This is another bad signal for the buyers and an extra confirmation for the sellers that the trend might be turning. We can see that the price has recently bounced here from a previous swing low around the 79 level, but the sellers came into the market around the 82 level. We have now created a small range between the 79 support and the 82 resistance, and a break on either side should lead to a more sustained move, as momentum traders are likely to pile in. On the 1-hour chart, we can see more closely the range between the 79 support and the 82 resistance. The buyers might want to lean on this support with a defined risk below the level to target a break above the resistance. On the other hand, if the price comes back to the resistance, the sellers are likely to pile in here with a defined risk above the level and target a break below the support. This week is pretty empty on the economic data side, as we will only have the PMIs today and the US jobless claims tomorrow. If the data surprises to the upside, we might see some strength in crude oil in the short term, but the prospects of more rate hikes might drive it down soon after. On the other hand, weak data should weigh on crude oil as global growth is already fragile with the economic problems in China, and weakness in the other major economies is not going to help. Remember also that this is the Jackson Hole Symposium week, so we will hear from many central bankers, including Fetcher Powell, who is set to speak on Friday.